EBRD supports through small business support team again. EBRD supports all local businesses that produce, that are in agribusiness, that are in textiles, that are in publishing or paper production. We cover many sort of areas, many industries, apart from military and tobacco production and gambling, etc. So this is a company called Kalakuri, and they are packaging different nuts and dried fruits and selling in the retail in the Georgian market. So the company approached EBRD's small business support team with the help in the to help them with the rebranding of their logo and to create corporate website and develop a Facebook page. We support many companies, and almost all Georgian wineries have benefited from our services, but this company is actually very interesting for us as well as for many other partners, because the company produces wine according to the old Georgian traditions only. All the brewing process, all the fermentation is going on in the clay barrels, which is buried in the soil. So we have helped this company with HR and organizational issues that eventually resulted in 7% less staff turnover. Georgia used to be main supplier of tea in the former Soviet Union, but after collapse of the Soviet Union, the tea industry deteriorated seriously. And I'm happy to see and I'm happy to witness that there are business people who are willing to invest in recovery of tea plantations in Georgia and start local production. A few years ago, you wouldn't believe, but almost 90% of the tea products in Georgia was imported. And I'm happy to say that thanks to the people who invest in tea plantations, in tea production, the market share of locally produced tea is growing day by day. This company, Geoflower, actually, they are not a traditional tea producer companies. They collect wild fruits in the forests and prepare raw material for a tea processing companies, tea packaging companies, to then produce the fruit tea, herbal tea, tea with medical sort of benefits. And the reason why we brought this company here is that I want I mean, there are many international visitors coming to Georgia because of the EBRD's annual meeting and business forum in Tbilisi. And I would like to present to them and say that Georgia is a tea producer country, and we are actually closest tea producer and tea grower country to Europe. Aroma Product is a Georgian family-owned and managed company. Since late 90s, since mid-90s actually, the company has been on the market. And what's interesting about this company is that they sell 100% of their produce on the export markets. They don't sell anything in Georgia. So when we approached this company back in 2007, they needed ISO and HACCP certification to be able to easily enter new markets, new export markets in EU, in United States, in Asia. So that's how we basically got in cooperation. And I guess you better taste and understand why this company is so successful. Cheers.